SAP CS Training Master, SAP Customer Service Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions, 7. Master SAP CS Customer Service and gain expertise in service management, service orders, repair processing, warranty management, service contracts, notifications, and after-sales support processes. Our comprehensive SAP CS training program is designed to help professionals manage customer service operations efficiently and improve customer satisfaction using SAP. Yen. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world service management scenarios, enabling learners to build expertise in SAP CS configuration, service lifecycle management, an integration with other SAP modules. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Master SAP Customer Service is designed to empower businesses like yours to achieve excellence in their operations. At Vistasparks Solutions, we provide comprehensive training programs tailored to meet the unique needs of each business. Our individual training program offers hands-on experience with industry-leading software such as SAP, allowing you to develop the skills necessary to excel in your role. With corporate training, you can scale your team's SAP capabilities across the entire organization. Whether you're looking to transform your career or improve your organization's efficiency, our expert trainers will guide you every step of the way. By joining our next cohort, you'll gain access to cutting-edge tools and techniques that drive global customer success. Let's get started on your path to mastery. The company has been working on improving its customer service for several years now. Over time, they have developed a robust system for handling post-sales issues. This system enables them to respond quickly and effectively to customer complaints and concerns. As a result, the company has seen significant improvements in customer satisfaction scores. The company's focus on post-sales operations has allowed it to differentiate itself from competitors. By prioritizing customer needs and addressing them promptly, the company has established a strong reputation for excellent customer service. Our training philosophy is centered on providing tailored learning experiences for individuals and organizations alike. We offer two primary approaches: individualized training for professionals looking to enhance their skills in SAP CS, and bespoke corporate training solutions designed to meet the unique needs of each organization. Through these programs, we aim to equip participants with the knowledge and expertise necessary to achieve mastery in SAP CS, whether they're beginners or seasoned experts. By aligning our training methods with the specific workflows, compliance requirements, and implementation strategies of each organization, we strive to deliver results-driven solutions that drive business excellence. The SAP CS Foundation is a comprehensive framework that provides the necessary tools and techniques for delivering exceptional customer service. The foundation consists of three main components: the Customer Relationship Management, CRM system, the Order Management system, and the Billing and Payment system. These systems work together to create an integrated solution that enables organizations to manage their customer relationships effectively. The CRM system allows users to track customer interactions, monitor customer satisfaction, and make data-driven decisions based on customer feedback. The Order Management system enables users to process orders efficiently, manage inventory levels, and optimize shipping routes. The Billing and Payment system ensures that customers receive accurate invoices and payments, reducing errors and disputes. By mastering these systems, professionals can improve customer satisfaction, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. SAP CS is an essential tool for businesses that want to improve their customer service and increase their revenue. It provides a comprehensive platform for managing customer interactions, from initial contact to post-sales support. With its advanced analytics and reporting capabilities, SAP CS helps businesses to identify trends and patterns in customer behavior, enabling them to tailor their services to meet individual needs. Additionally, SAP CS offers a range of integration options with other SAP modules, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and enhance their overall customer experience. Furthermore, SAP CS provides a robust framework for managing customer data, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. This allows businesses to focus on delivering high-quality customer service, rather than worrying about the administrative tasks associated with customer management. The configuration of service organizations in SAP involves several key steps. First, identify the company code and plant associated with each service organization. Next, determine the structure of the service organization itself, including its parent company code and any subsidiaries. Then, map the service organization's hierarchy and entities to the corresponding SAP processes. Finally, validate the configuration by testing the service organization's functionality. Master data management is a critical component of SAP systems, enabling organizations to efficiently manage their data assets. In this module, we will focus on configuring equipment and functional locations, as well as setting up and maintaining technical objects central to service delivery. We will also explore how to create material masters for service, managing service-relevant material records including spare parts and consumables. Additionally, we will discuss master data best practices, applying industry-standard approaches to ensure data integrity and reporting accuracy. By mastering these key concepts, you will be able to effectively manage your data assets and improve overall system performance. The core service processes are the foundation upon which all other business functions are built. They enable efficient communication between customers, internal stakeholders, and external partners. The processes include incident management, problem management, request fulfillment, and others. Each process has its own set of rules and procedures that must be followed in order to ensure smooth operation. If these processes are not executed correctly, it can lead to delays, errors, and ultimately, poor customer satisfaction. Therefore, mastering these core service processes is essential for delivering exceptional customer experiences. To achieve this, one needs to have a thorough understanding of each process, as well as the ability to identify areas for improvement. This requires a combination of technical knowledge, analytical skills, and soft skills. By developing these skills, individuals can effectively manage and optimize their core service processes, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. The company has been working on improving its customer service since 2015. Since then, there have been numerous improvements made to the service, including changes to the way customers are notified about their orders. The notification system has undergone significant changes, with new features added to improve communication between customers and staff. The changes were implemented across all departments, ensuring consistency throughout the organization. The implementation of the new system was not without challenges, but it ultimately led to improved customer satisfaction and reduced errors. The company has continued to refine its customer service over time, with ongoing efforts to enhance the overall experience. This module covers contracts and warranties, which are essential components of a service agreement. A service contract outlines the scope of work, including response times and obligations. Warranty configuration ensures that master warranties are linked correctly to products and equipment records. Tracking high-value assets through warranty periods helps prevent revenue leakage and ensures timely renewals. By mastering these concepts, you will be able to effectively structure and manage agreements, accurately configure warranties, and monitor asset performance to maintain optimal business operations. Utilizing SAP's built-in planning tools is essential for effectively assigning and managing service teams. These tools allow for efficient scheduling and workload distribution, resulting in minimized service downtime. By taking advantage of these resources, organizations can optimize their resource allocation to ensure technicians have enough capacity to meet customer service level agreement (SLA) commitments. Additionally, proper management of spare parts availability and procurement cycles is crucial in maintaining a smooth operational flow. This includes assigning service teams to specific tasks such as parts procurement and utilizing the SAP Resource Planner to streamline these processes. This approach can improve overall efficiency and reduce the risk of service disruptions. To effectively manage these processes, careful planning, coordination, and communication among team members are necessary. By implementing these strategies, organizations can enhance their ability to provide high-quality services to customers. This tutorial will demonstrate how to integrate SAP CS with other systems in your organization. This integration optimizes operations and increases efficiency by streamlining processes. By connecting SAP CS with other business systems, you can establish a cohesive and integrated approach to managing operations. This may involve integrating with ERP systems, CRM systems, and other business applications. The aim is to create a unified view of operations, facilitating better decision-making and more efficient management. Understanding the interaction between different modules in SAP CS is crucial for their integration. This module will discuss the importance of integration and its benefits for organizations. By mastering cross-module data flows, businesses can eliminate silos and ensure synchronization of various processes. This includes automatic synchronization of billing, inventory, and maintenance actions, which can reduce errors and operational costs. Additionally, integration with other SAP modules such as SD, MM, and PM is essential for achieving an enterprise-ready implementation. This requires seamless integration of all modules to support the entire organization. By doing so, organizations can streamline operations, increase efficiency, and ultimately improve competitiveness. The module focuses on managing statuses and creating dynamic item processor profiles. These profiles are used by organizations to implement system and user statuses in all service documents, ensuring that business rules are followed and order progress is tracked throughout each stage. The Dynamic Item Processor, or DIP, is important for automating the conversion of service activities such as labor, materials, and expenses into accurate billing line items. By setting up DIP profiles, organizations can achieve automated and error-free billing in complex service environments. This streamlines operations, reduces manual errors, and increases overall efficiency, not vacating all epicenter. Additionally, DIP profiles allow for more precise financial reporting and better decision-making based on accurate data. Therefore, effective configuration of DIP profiles is crucial for optimizing SAP CS capabilities and driving business excellence. The module focuses on building a robust reporting framework that utilizes SAP's built-in reporting features. The module covers topics such as data modeling, data visualization, and data analysis. These topics are essential for creating effective reports that provide valuable insights into customer behavior and market trends. The module also covers advanced data extraction techniques, including data profiling, data cleansing, and data transformation. These techniques enable businesses to extract relevant data from their SAP system and analyze it using various tools and technologies. By mastering these skills, organizations can create high-quality reports that support informed decision-making and drive business growth. The company has been experiencing significant financial difficulties due to various factors, including high operational costs, low demand for its products, and increased competition from other companies. The company's management team has been working hard to address these issues but has not yet found a solution. All OL. The company is now considering alternative options such as outsourcing certain functions, reducing staff, or exploring new markets. However, there are concerns among employees regarding the potential impact on their jobs and benefits. The students were given a task to design an efficient system for managing customer orders. The students worked individually and in groups to create their own systems. The students received feedback on their designs from instructors and peers. The students then implemented their designs using SAP CS. The students analyzed the performance of their systems and made adjustments as necessary. The students presented their results to the students and instructors. The instructor provided guidance throughout the project. The instructor helped the students understand the concepts and principles behind the system they designed. The instructor offered suggestions and advice on how to improve their designs. The instructor also provided technical support when needed. The students learned about the importance of data quality and its impact on system performance. They learned about the different types of data errors and how to handle them. They learned about the various tools and techniques available to troubleshoot and resolve issues with their systems. The students gained practical experience in designing and implementing a system that could meet the needs of a large organization. They developed problem-solving skills and learned how to think critically about the systems they designed. The instructor encouraged the students to ask questions and seek help when needed. The instructor emphasized the importance of collaboration and teamwork in the project. The instructor also highlighted the value of continuous learning and improvement. The students demonstrated a good understanding of the key concepts and principles of SAP CS. They showed a strong ability to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. The students successfully completed the project and achieved their goals. They produced high-quality systems that met the requirements of a large organization. The instructor was pleased with the overall performance of the students. The instructor felt that the students had made significant progress in their understanding of SAP CS. The instructor recognized the students' hard work and dedication to the project. The instructor acknowledged the students' achievements and celebrated their success. The module provides training on how to prepare for the SAP certification exam by using a combination of study materials and practice tests. Participants will be given access to a library of study materials, including textbooks, online resources, and practice exams. They will also receive regular updates on new study materials and practice tests as needed. To ensure that participants are well prepared for the exam, the module includes a review of key concepts and topics covered on the exam. Participants will also have the opportunity to take practice tests and receive feedback from instructors. Our curriculum is aligned with the industry standards and provides students with relevant knowledge and skills that are in demand in the market. The real-time project exposure allows students to gain practical experience that prepares them for real-world challenges. The flexible delivery models enable students to learn at their own pace, whether online, offline, or blended. Students who complete our hands-on project work are job-ready upon graduation. Our experienced consultants bring their expertise to our training programs, which enable students to benefit from their knowledge and experience. By choosing Vistasparks, students gain access to a wide range of industries and companies, giving them a competitive edge in the job market. Our training programs are designed to prepare students for success in the SAP CS field, and we are confident that our approach will help students achieve their career goals. Our company has been providing services to various organizations across the globe, offering a wide range of solutions to enhance their operational efficiency. With over 20 years of experience, we have developed expertise in implementing cutting-edge technologies such as SAP CS, which enables businesses to achieve exceptional customer satisfaction and loyalty. Our team of experts provides customized training programs designed specifically for each client's needs, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and processes. By leveraging our scalable SAP CS capabilities, organizations can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Furthermore, our enterprise-wide delivery options allow clients to access our solutions on an ongoing basis, facilitating continuous improvement and growth. We are committed to helping our clients achieve their business objectives and realize their full potential.